So I just want to quickly share with you a basic chart to really help you get started with hand reflexology and just learning the areas. And I am recommending that you leverage hand reflexology at least once a week and pick maybe one or two areas to focus on. But this is a good way for you to just start really familiarizing yourself with the different areas, and also not only being able to leverage this to work on yourself, but if you have friends or family who you can pass this information along to, or even show them how to do it, for themselves or on themselves, this would be really great. So I know that I do a lot of videos where it's the foot reflexology, but I definitely want to be able to provide a chart, for you to be able to look and familiarize yourself, with these different areas so you can start getting the maximum benefits. Hand reflexology seems to be less intimidating for people. And also, it's just very quick to do. You don't have to take off your shoes to start working on yourself. So, like if you're at work and you're, sitting at your desk or so, or just out, and you can just start to work on various areas on your hands. And so, it's just something that you could, quickly do for your well-being. And of course, I have to mention my publication, I Touch Myself and I Like It. It is a DIY self-massage, acupressure, reflexology, and reflexology journal recorder. And so you can use a resource just like this to be able to track your journey. Also, as it relates to this chart, there's going to be a blog post within the description, but also in the description, you'll see a link where you can secure a copy of my publication. So I hope that this will be helpful for you and you'll find it extremely beneficial as you are leveling up your well-being with hand reflexology.